Traditionally, they already had incorporated some kind of simulation within their design loop. They were using just standard in CAD software for their simulations, which was giving them an initial first order estimate, but they were having significant challenges through a variety of different areas. So they had to switch from a simple in CAD software to a more high fidelity simulation platform. For instances, for modeling their motors, they have to design around like very small air gaps and extremely high tolerances. Ansys offers a very robust meshing capability uh, and like variety of different fault tolerant meshing algorithms that kind of help them a lot with these simulations. And they were able to use that framework for creating simulation driven decisions. And that kind of robust workflow helped them to not only just couple simulations of through different physics, but also do like high fidelity, more complex simulations in a relatively faster manner. So they understood the value of simulation in like doing over thousands of iterations in quick succession. Uh, is when they once they realized they could do that, they leveraged high performance computing options and doing remote solves that just allowed them to use HPC clusters or high performance clusters that allowed them to parallel process different design points. So they could work through hundreds of different parameters and just let it run overnight or over weeks. They could do this design exploration for all these different parameters and then get an optimization algorithm that basically tells them, okay, I've iterated through a bunch of design points and it tells you what is the best amongst all this in a relatively faster manner because now they don't have to do anything manually. They can just let the computer do its thing, let Ansys do its magic and get the result by the end of it. And that gives them significant competitive advantage.